Okay.
Okay, sir.
Right. Simply clear. Enable the communication between different logical networks in different geographic locations. That is called WAN technologies. Example: CCNA, D-Link, Netgear, Juniper, okay, etc., etc. All this comes under WAN technologies. If you want to become a system administrator, then go for MCSC or Linux. Both of them same, but different platform, different manufacturers. MCSC is from Microsoft product. Linux is from Sun Microsystems. Okay, LAN, WAN. Very clear? Now we are talking about CCNA. CCNA comes under WAN technology. Means by end of the course you can become a network administrator. Okay, you are eligible for applying jobs like network admin.
Yes,
See,
sir.
this is the course content. Okay, okay, okay. This is the course content. Simply, okay. I'm not talking about all these things also. That CCNA. See, CCNA, Cisco Certified Network Associate. Second level, CCNP, Cisco Certified Network Professional. Third one is CCIE, Cisco Certified Interwork Expert. Again, CCNA, we have different modules. Routing and switching, security, voice, wireless LAN, cloud computing, data center, etc. Out of this many, I'm talking about only routing and switching. Okay, I'm covering routing and switching. This is the first module. Okay, once if you complete routing and switching, then only you are perfectly eligible for any other modules. Then you can decide either you can go for security or wireless LAN or data center or cloud computing, your wish. First of all, fundamentally, basically, you need to complete routing and switching, CCNA. Okay. Now this post is completely routing and switching. Okay. See, now let me discuss about all these functionalities. Okay. See, so what is router? What is the functions of a router? Okay. Router. So router means enable the communication between different logical networks in different geographic locations is called router. Okay. Right? So router means enable the communication between different logical networks in different geographic locations is called router. Router works with the fixed bandwidth of 1000 Mbps. Router is a layer 3 device security. Okay. Okay. Router is also called as intelligent device. Okay. See, let me example router. Okay. What is router? Router is a network device which is used to communicate between different logical networks in different geographic locations. Okay. Router is a intelligent device. Router is a layer 3 device security. Layer 1 hub, layer 2 switch, layer 3 router. Okay. Layer 1 hub, layer 2 switch, layer 3 router. It works with the fixed bandwidth of 1000 Mbps. This is a basic definition of router. Okay. Again, routers can be classified into two types. One is software router, one is hardware router. Now, currently we are performing with the help of hardware router only. Again, hardware router again can be classified two types: modular router, non-modular router. Okay. So later I will explain. First of all, okay. Number three, what are the functions of a router? The basic functionality of router is inter-network communication, best path selection, packet switching, and packet forwarding. So, what is inter-network communication? Means enable the communication between different logical networks in different geographic locations is called inter-network communication. Okay. What is best path selection? Which determines the best route or best path for sending the data packet across the network is called best path selection. Simple example, I will go to for, I will go for this, I will go for notepad. She was, assume that simple. This is called A means Ahmedabad. This is B. B means Bombay. This C means Chennai. So Ahmedabad, Bombay, Chennai. Now I want to travel from Bombay to Chennai. So which is the best path? And I can go directly or I can go via Ahmedabad also. Yes or no? Okay, we have two ways. Now I want to go for Bombay to Chennai. Via Ahmedabad, I can go. Directly, I can go also. Now, which is the best path? B to C is the best path because it is a shortcut. Now, assume that this speed is only 1 Mbps. This speed is, assume that 1000 Mbps. So, now, which is the best path now? Maybe it is a long distance, even though because of 1000 Mbps, the packet can forward very easily here only. And now tell me, how do you calculate the best path? Based upon hop count, means shortcut. Based upon the bandwidth, means speed. Based upon time delay, means traffic. So based upon these three parameters, the packet can move. The packet can travel in forward direction. Okay. Best path selection means moving the data packet, moving the based upon these three parameters. Other than best path selection. Okay. Okay. Now, what is packet switching? Packet switching means so each and every router contains so many interfaces. For example, system CPU contains so many ports, hardware ports like mouse port, keyboard port, VGA port, LAN port, USB port, etc. etc. But whereas in our technology, we can call it interfaces. Okay. Okay. Packet switching means moving the data packet from one interface to another interface in the same router. Means my PCs are communicating to my switch. My switch is communicating to my router. Is called packet switching. So moving the, what is packet forwarding? Moving the data packet from one interface to another interface. Okay. Moving the data packet from one interface to another interface of other router is called packet forwarding. Okay. Simply, I repeat once again, functions of a router basically contains four functions of a router. Inter-network communication, best path selection, packet switching, packet forwarding. Okay. Inter-network communication. Okay. Means moving the data packet from one network to another network. Okay. Best path selection, moving the data. Okay. Packet switching, moving the data packet from one interface to another interface in the same router. Okay. Packet forwarding, moving the data packet from one interface to another interface of other router is called packet forwarding. Very clear? All these four. These are the basic functionality of a router. What router does means these are the functionality. Okay. Now, what is interfaces? So I told you, ports is nothing but interfaces. By default, each and every router can be divided, classified into three interfaces. One is LAN interface, Number 2, WAN interface. Number 3, admin interface. Okay, LAN interface, WAN interface, admin interface. Okay, so in the later classes, I will explain elaborately what is LAN, what is WAN, what is admin interfaces. Okay. Now, routing. Their network, networking. Router, routing. Router is a device to enable the communication between different logical networks in different geographic locations. Okay. What is routing? Routing is the main job. Routing is the process of moving the data packet from one network to another network. Routing can be classified into three types: static routing, dynamic routing, default routing. Okay. So routing is a process of moving the data packet from one network to another network. This routing can be classified into three types: static routing, dynamic routing, default routing. So what is static routing? In this routing, the route is defined manually by the administrator. Means admin job is very more. And we need to define, as an administrator, I need to define where the packet should move. Now, this is the best path, this is the best speed, this is the very less traffic. I need to define based upon hop count, bandwidth, and time delay. As an admin, should define the best path. Okay. So dynamic routing. In this routing, the route is defined automatically by device. So device will take care of automatically. Okay. So admin job is very less. So not default gateway. This is a default routing. So default routing means it is a standard path only. Okay. It does not have any permissions. See, dynamic routing, static routing is my bike. I can go anyway. Okay. If traffic jams, I can take U-turn also. If urgency is there, I can go more speed also. But default routing means your city bus, RTC bus. Okay. So each and everything having some track. Okay. We cannot forward account to my own direction. Okay. Specified path is available. Okay. Simply, the default routing means this APS RTC bus. Okay. Very clear? Now, dynamic routing again can be classified into three types. First one is RIP, Routing Information Protocol. Number two, OSPF, Open Shortest Path First. Next, EIGRP, Enhanced Interior Gateway Routing Protocol. Okay. Compared to static routing, so RIP is advanced. Compared to RIP, OSPF is advanced. Compared to OSPF, EIGRP is advanced. Okay, very clear? Okay. So this is a basic. Now see, let us see the now see. Static routing is one class. Dynamic routing is one class. Default routing is another class. RIP is one class. OSPF is one class. EIGRP is one class. Almost here only 7 to 8 classes are there. Okay. Now go to the syllabus. See, first four are the basic concepts. If you want to become system administrator or network administrator, first four are basic common things. Actual class starts from 5th class onwards. Introduction to router. Initial configuration of router. Static routing comes under 8th class. Next, RIP, OSPF, EIGRP, default routing. Next, ACL, password recovery. One by one it comes. Almost all 28 topics are available. Okay. But as of the in this screen showing only 22 topics, but we have 28 topics. Okay. Now we are talking about version 3. Okay. Right? Any more boss? Vasant.
సార్
Yeah. నీకు ఆల్రెడీ చెప్పిందే సేమ్ స్టోరీ.
అవును సార్ చెప్తారు.
What about remaining boys? Krishnakant. Okay. Vasant.
Yeah, sir.
Kailash Verma. Tell me, boss, any more notes? So once all of you are flexible, tomorrow I will start original class.
ఎస్ సార్ టైమింగ్ ఇవేనా సార్?
చెప్పండి మీరు ఏ టైమ్స్ కావాలి అందరూ ఇక్కడ.
ఈ టైమింగే బాగుంది సార్. ఈ టైమింగే బాగుంది.
7 to 8 make it comfortable. Okay. Or 6:30 to 7:30. 7:30 వేరే క్లాస్ అందుకోసం 7:30 కన్నా 6:30 7:30 అన్నా.
ఓకే సార్, అది
పర్లా 6:30 to 7:30 అయినా పర్లా 7 to 8 అయినా కనుక దాన్ని నేను కొద్దిగా పక్కకు మూవ్ చేసుకుంటా. నేను ఒక టైమింగ్ చెప్తే కనుక
నాకైతే 7 to 8 అన్నా ఓకే సార్.
ఓకే 7 to 8 ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ రెస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ది గైస్ బాస్. సో 845053C5 ఎవరి బాస్ పేరు ఏంటండి?
రవీంద్ర.
రవీంద్ర గారు నమస్తే, చెప్పండి సార్.
నమస్తే. యా సార్ 7 to 8 is comfortable.
సౌండ్ ఆడియో ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఇస్ కంఫర్టబుల్.
yes sir.
అది రీచ్ అవుతుంది, నా క్లాస్ రీచ్ అయింది మీకు?
రీచ్ అవుతుంది.
చూడండి రేపు కూడా వింటారండి, ఒక క్లాస్ వినండి. ఓకే ఓకేనా? రేపు కూడా సేమ్ 7 o'clock అన్నారు, 7 o'clock అండి.
ఓకే సార్.
7 to 8 సో సేమ్ మీటింగ్ ఐడి సేమ్ థింగ్.
ఓకే సార్.
థ్యాంక్ యూ బాస్, థ్యాంక్ యూ రవీంద్ర, థ్యాంక్ యూ కైలాష్, థ్యాంక్ యూ వసంత్.
ఓకే సార్.
థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్. సార్ ట్రైనింగ్ డ్రెస్ సార్. మాట్లాడదు, రేపు వస్తాను, బాగానే ఉన్నా అర్థం అవుతుంది చెప్తాను, నువ్వే మాట్లాడదు.